Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. Here we have an approved used 2017 Audi S3. This is the 2-litre TFSI quattro engine. This car is finished in the Arrow Blue Crystal Effect paint colour, and it has the floret silver contrasting mirror housing. This car has 18-inch 5-star design star alloy wheels. It also has the rain and light sensors, meaning the headlights and windscreen wipers are automatic in correspondence to the weather. Moving towards the front of the vehicle, this car has the multifunction flat bottom leather steering wheel, the MMI nav, dual climate control with front heated seats. It has an automatic gearbox, fine nappa leather heated seats. This car also comes with rear parking sensors. For more information on this Audi S3 or any of the others in the approved used range here at Stoke Audi, please give us a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you for watching.